Hi everyone, this is Caitlin from Super Bright LEDs. Today we want to show you how quick and easy it is to install our under cabinet LED strip lights. At Super Bright LEDs, we have a wide selection of LED light strips and kits for a variety of applications. Now let's get installing. The first thing you should do is wire the LED light strip to the controller that is provided in the kit. You do this by simply connecting the barrel connector to the input side of the controller and tightening the screws. Then connect the strip to the output side of the controller using the wire connectors. Once the controller is wired up, simply plug in the power supply to the controller and test to make sure your strip is working. Next, mount the controller to the cabinet so it is not seen. Once the controller is securely mounted, you can start applying the strips to the cabinets. It's so easy to install Super Bright LEDs strips with professional grade 3M adhesive backing. Just start from the controller and peel away the backing as you move along the edge of the cabinets. When you reach a corner, you simply fold over the strip at a 90-degree angle and continue on the other leg of cabinets. If you reach a point where two cabinets meet, just apply the strip right over the lip. Once you are done applying the strip, simply cut off the excess stripping at the appropriate spot on the strip. And you're done. This is Caitlin for SuperBrightLEDs.com. LED lighting for everything.